हो गया।
पीछे से हटो सर, सर यहाँ पे, सर यहाँ पे टाइगर, यहाँ पे टाइगर। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। पीछे से क्लियर है, पीछे से क्लियर। टाइगर, 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 टाइगर भाई, टाइगर भाई।
अरे सिटी बजाओ टाइगर भाई, इतने देखा
भाई एकदम सामने, टाइगर भाई एकदम सामने।
अरे गॉगल पड़ा कैसे समझेगा। एक गॉगल निकल गए टाइगर सर, गॉगल निकल गए यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे
टाइगर भाई, टाइगर भाई।
टाइगर जी इधर देखो
सर यहाँ पे,
ऊपर ऊपर
सर यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे
इधर ज्योति भी है।
सर ज्योति है। झंडे लोक भरती के लिए
यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे
सेंटर, 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 तारा एकदम सेंटर में।
यहाँ पे मैम, यहाँ पे मेरे पास नहीं देखा मैम, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे मैम, ऊपर ऊपर
तारा मैम यहाँ पे,
तारा मैम यहाँ पे।
यहाँ पे सीधा।
अरे 2 मिनट रुको, वेट 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 वेट।
अरे रुको इधर।
अरे यार इधर मिला नहीं है। तारा मैम यहाँ पे लुधिया, तारा तारा यहाँ पे।
तारे पे
जल्दी ऊपर जाएंगे, जल्दी ऊपर। अनन्या जी, अनन्या जी यहाँ पे।
सेंटर, सेंटर, सेंटर,
अनन्या जी यहाँ पे, ऊपर देखो ऊपर।
सेंटर,
होल्ड 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 मैम, होल्ड। अनन्या जी यहाँ पे। थैंक यू।
अनन्या यहाँ पे।
आपके राइट में करण बाबू आपके राइट में।
That are here. Everyone has very graciously come, and thank you for all the support to all of us at Foxstar and Dharma Productions and to Branston De Vere. Today is an exceptionally, I would say it's an exceptionally emotional feeling for me because I remember at this very auditorium, exactly like what 6.5 to 7 years ago, when we launched the first theatrical trailer for Student of the Year, and in the front row, it makes you feel young. So I'm very glad that we got the opportunity to make the franchise, and in the very, very strong, efficient, hard-working and sincere hands of filmmaker Puneet Malhotra. Puneet has been with me ever since he was a baby. Ever since he was 10 years old, I've known him. I've even taught him English. I don't know if I did a good job, you'll know today when he speaks. And so we go way back, and he has worked very hard to be where he is today. And of course, we have the terrific trio helmed by the absolutely amazing force of nature, Tiger Shroff. We could not have asked for a better male protagonist to kind of lead the franchise into its second zone. He is, as you know, a force of nature. The way he can kick, he literally kicks ass. And I'm sure you will see when you see the trailer. And we have two amazing bundles of talent, both of which that we will unveil to you for the first time. Both Tara and Ananya, our girls. And there's lots more that you will actually find out that is very different and individual to Student of the Year from the first part. But I don't want to say too much. I want to first introduce to you the second part of our fabulous franchise, or so we think it is, and we believe it is. Student of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, part 2, here comes. Save the tiger for a bit. We have a few people that we like to call on stage before we call tiger. As you can see, we have the illustrious Student of the Year trophy right here, shining example of what we have. Thank you for all that. And I have to say that we've had a terrific journey, and our partners for very many years have been Foxstar Studios. They've collaborated with us for nearly a decade, and it's been a tremendous collaboration, and I'm so happy and honored to have them on board with us for Student of the Year 2. And I'd like to invite Vijay Singh from Foxstar Studios, who have been a big part of our journey. We're all waiting for them to introduce the cast to you. Now, as they say, ladies first, I'm going to start by introducing her. And I remember meeting her a year and a half ago. I remember very poised, very polished, extremely well spoken, and she can truly sing so stunningly that she can blow your mind. She was beautiful and truly is a star, just like her name suggests. Please welcome the gorgeous Tara Sutari. At the risk of being accosted eventually online, so I'm going to just say it. She's somebody I have known ever since she was 2 years old. But that is not the reason why she's in the film. Again, if you believe me, that is. She is somebody I've literally seen grow up, and she was always had this spunky spirit, always had this desire in her eyes to kind of walk into the limelight and onto celluloid. She's somebody that I believe really passionately got excited when she was told that she was going to be a part of the film. Please welcome Ananya Pandey. All right, now's the moment that we've all been waiting for. Time and again, you all have already given him so much love that he needs no introduction. So I won't say any further. He, as I've said, is a force of nature. What he does, no one, and I repeat, no one can do. Please welcome Tiger Shroff. Where you're meant to be. All right, so I'm gonna ask everyone one question before I open it up to all of you in the house. Puneet, what does it feel like?
To be honest, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I think the film's turned out really well.
Oh, that's nice to hear from you.
I have to keep
Lovely. I love that you give the feedback for yourself. That's wonderful.
I have to. To be honest, I was very nervous when we started. I was working with Tiger for the first time. When I met him first, I thought he was going to punch me. But he had just released it. I met Tara and Ananya again, and they were really young kids who had come out of school. So I felt like a school teacher with them. But I just loved the energy that came on set eventually, how we all came together. And I think that's really translated for whatever it's worth.
No, that's great. Puneet, young people like you and me really need to make films just like this. But you've done a terrific job, and thank you for all the hard work you put into the franchise. Thank you. Tara, gorgeous, stunning Tara. This is your introduction into the movies. Firstly, welcome to the movies. And what does the moment feel like today?
Honestly, Karan, this moment feels surreal. The last year has been surreal, but today, guys, did you like the trailer? This has been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots more work in the company and see you shine everywhere. Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here. Because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Sohana and everybody else. And now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I'm just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird. Like, everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that. So I just have no words. I'm just so excited. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They're enjoying as we speak. And Tiger. Like I said, that you're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today, when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with all the love coming your way as well?
First of all, I thank all of you for giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love, and it's because of you that I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start out my collaboration with you.
All right, Tiger. Okay, now that's Tiger saying all the right things, and we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger, before I opened it up the house? What was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before the
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They just so
Who was more fun?
It was more fun. Both of them had their moments.
Which moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this one?
Puneet has had his fair share of moments, but with other people. We won't talk about Puneet.
That's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the movie. He should answer.
All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he's look one big tomato. All right, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year. Yes, ma'am.
अनन्या एंड तारा आपके राइट में
लेफ्ट में
आज का दिन कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार था अनन्या एंड तारा
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers who have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. So and this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me, and I'm just too grateful to Karan and to Puneet and to
As long as you keep coming out of airports and chills, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right, Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है, लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या
देखो, मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से, मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था, तो she used to bully me in these ways. So yeah, it's not the first time.
टाइगर दिस साइड टाइगर इस तरीके की जो मतलब इस किसी लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला किसी ने देखा, ये दूसरा है, तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको इसको और भी बेटर करना है, तो आपने उसको कैसे किया और क्या आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारी है?
देखो, बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर. आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वन डेफिनेटली, बट टू ऐड टू दैट I've done my best to bring in what people know me for, and I've sort of gotten little tigerism to my character, and very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to express myself in that manner. And इस फिल्म में अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood. So I think that's a very interesting one. Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Hi everyone, half of the set from Zee on the left. Hi, very cool trailer and congratulations. Usually जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स ही सुनाई देते, थैंक्स टू विजिल इंक्लूडिंग, और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ. इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था आप लोगों ने हर
Who you asking?
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम नहीं बोले थे, तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and this line "Din tera tha saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that.
I also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger.
Yeah, so I wanted to get to that, man. Can I just take a question in as
Do
well?
not believe all
So
of this.
I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this. Behind this good boy Visaj, what's really ticking?
It's the biggest scam.
It's the biggest scam.
It's Karan,
It's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है?
सच्चाई नहीं है, इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड, आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है झूठ?
आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you look at this boy, the biggest drag in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Karan, in Coffee with Karan episode we saw there ke Westie girls ke Westie, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet ki Westie.
Tiger and Puneet की
We share a very, very good
They have a
relationship.
there is romance between the three of them. There's bromance there, so it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it. If you're not catching.
तो कई बार ऐसा होता था कि every time we give our shots, there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. अगर romantic scene होता था तो
Not the romantic
scenes. He used to perform, and then I used to come in and do the
And
take.
apparently he took very long in the rehearsals, is it true?
There were quite a few takes for the
Okay.
rehearsal.
टाइगर मेरा आपसे सवाल है. जैसे अगर हम बैच की तरफ बोले,
All three of us.
या ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस, तो मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले बैच से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको कंपटीशन करना पड़े तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेलोगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे, आप चैलेंज करना चाहोगे? And you can't be like, I can't compete with them. You have to say,
I can't be. किसने बनाया है?
अरे
ये अच्छा you can't be. I mean, I'm just joking.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case. Actually, Varun and Sid together could romance one girl and he could romance two.
Yeah, but he's saying, who would you like to take on?
Which sport?
No. Who? Which one of them would you like
which
to
one
take on?
and which sport also?
That's it.
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics. Or I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi because he's tall and athletic.
जी तारा 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 मेरा सवाल आपसे ये कि करण सर ने अभी कहा तारा that you have a very good voice, you sing very well. So अगर आपका competition अगर student के साथ तो पिछली student आलिया के साथ in the matter of singing, so what do you want to say about it?
I don't think we can compete. She sings beautifully in Hindi, and I'd love to sing with her one day, though. That I would love.
And we're going to, before we end, we are going to make Tara sing.
No.
That's what I'm saying. Yes,
राहुल फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने एक एक्ट्रेस रखा था और अभी एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना। इससे बहुत यूनिक सवाल है।
एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 लड़के हैं, तीनों साथ थे और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं।
I think the students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very, very sweet. Hopefully, you may see them in the film. Maybe.
अगर आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही आपने हीरो बन दी, फिर आप बागी बने, फिर जाके फ्लाइंग जेट में आप उड़ने की कोशिश किया, फिर मुन्ना भाई के गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए लड़ाई किया, आप जाके स्टूडेंट बने, आपको नहीं लगता रिवर्स गियर लगा है?
शायद फ्लाइंग जेट के बाद थोड़ा जमीन पे आना पड़ा।
हेलो, मेरा सवाल करण जी से है। करण जी,
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
ये जो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, इसके सारे गाने बहुत हिट थे और आपका एक और फिल्म का गाना काफ़ी अभी तक बज रहा है, गणपति का जो सॉन्ग है देवा और देवा श्री गणेशा सॉन्ग आपका आज तक बजता है। तो मुझे ये पूछना था कि सेकंड में जो मतलब पुरानी फिल्म का गाना लेने के बजाय अगर आप अपना ही कोई हिट सॉन्ग देते, अपना मतलब ओरिजिनल, तो ओरिजिनलिटी।
मैम ये था कि हमारा एक प्रश्न था, अगर आपको याद है कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का जो पहला गाना था वो गाना था डिस्को दीवानी, वो भी एक रीमिक्स ही था, एक गाना जो मुझे बेहद पसंद था, जो 80s का बहुत पॉपुलर डिस्को गाना था। तो मैंने जब पुनीत को कहा कि ये टर्शन हमें रिपीट करना चाहिए कि जो हमारा पहला गाना हो एक ऐसा गाना हो जिसमें रेट्रो वाली फीलिंग हो, एंड माय फेवरेट रेट्रो सॉन्ग एवर इज ये जवानी है दीवानी, एंड आई हैव टू थैंक यूनिवर्सल म्यूजिक जिन्होंने बहुत हमारी सहायता की, हमें इसके राइट्स देने में बहुत मदद की। दे रियली सपोर्टेड अस अलॉन्ग विद ऑफ कोर्स आवर म्यूजिक लेबल जी म्यूजिक। तो इसलिए हमने सोचा था कि ये हर स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में जब भी हम बनाएंगे तो पहला गाना एक रेट्रो वाला गाना हो।
सवाल है कि आप इस साल बॉलीवुड में 19 नए चेहरे लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, तो इन 19 चेहरों से कैसे कंपटीशन देखती हैं और क्या प्रेशर महसूस है?
ये डेटा कहाँ मिला आपको? अच्छा है 19 है, अच्छा 20 नहीं। तारा कैसा लगता है 19 लड़कियों के साथ लड़ पाएंगी?
19 के बारे में तो पता नहीं था एक्चुअली, लेकिन I don't think competition will be unhealthy. I think it's going to be a very healthy competition, and I'm very excited. I've seen a couple of films, and now you guys are going to see our film. So I think you guys will decide. I love competition. I think you can see it in student of the year. Competition is so much fun. So it's very motivating having new people. I think the industry needs new people all the time. So it's amazing.
जी आपके राइट में और क्योंकि इलेक्शन का टाइम है इसलिए आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि आपका फेवरेट पॉलिटी
सर हम यहाँ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की बात करने आए हैं, आप कहाँ मुद्दे को कहाँ ले गए हैं आप? ये वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है जहाँ अरे आप न्यूज एंकर क्यों बन गए हो? आप एंटरटेनमेंट न्यूज कवर कीजिए ना, फिर बात करेंगे।
आप तीनों से सवाल, तारा जी आप तीनों से सवाल है, आपने रियल जिंदगी में स्टूडेंट लाइफ जिया है आपने, फर्स्ट टाइम आप तीनों ऑन स्क्रीन स्टूडेंट लाइफ जीने जा रहे हैं, तो क्या कुछ अपने रियल जिंदगी के स्टूडेंट लाइफ को मिस किया और क्या कुछ नया सीखा?
ऐसा स्कूल स्कूल आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता, बहुत लार्जर देन लाइफ है। तो काश मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा होता, इतने हॉट लड़के होते। कोई रियल मेमोरीज नहीं थी, ये बात था। I had a blast in school and college, but nothing compared to what we've experienced in Student of the Year 2, and it's just been magical and amazing.
Of course, it's been Tiger. It has to be.
We have last two questions, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
There is a cameo done by Will Smith. I'm very surprised it's not included in the trailer. Any particular reason?
Will Smith shot actually for a Facebook show that he did called Bucket List, in which one of his main list items was to dance on a Bollywood song. So fortunately, because I've known Will for a few years, when his team and he got in touch, and we were ironically shooting Ye Jawani Hai Diwani at the same time, he came, he rehearsed Radha, which was from Student, because there was a synergy there between the two student films, and he came and he shot that. Whether or not he's going to be a part of the film that you see, that's a question I'm going to leave unanswered and wait till you see the film.
Vijay ji here.
Vijay ji से सवाल है कौन?
कॉम्पिटिशन एक दूसरे के साथ रहा हो स्टूडेंट्स का, लेकिन अगर हम वैसे देखें तो फिल्म का किसी से कंपटीशन नहीं है, फिर भी आप इसको कितने थिएटर्स में रिलीज करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, there is a huge excitement and demand for Student of the Year. This film is going to go out really wide, and I can tell you that in the last few days, with just the poster going out, there is so much garwai in the trade that abhi to unhone trailer bhi nahi dekha hai. So really excited. It's going to have a very wide release both in India as well as international.
Sorry?
So you meet the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. How was the experience meeting with the Prime Minister?
Sir, with all due respect, this is not a platform to discuss politics.
My question is to Tara and
Okay, we have just two questions, this one and one other.
My question is to Tara and Ananya. In the previous Students of the Year, you said that Alia fainted a couple of times because she was exhausted during the filming. Did you girls have to work as hard, and did anything like that happen on the set?
I don't think I fainted, but there were tears, there was blood, there was sweat, but we didn't faint. Yeah, no one fainted on our set. A lot has happened on the set, but we didn't faint.
And Alia, you have to know, is very accident prone. Like, she faints even while standing. Once I remember she was standing and she fell. How did that happen? I don't know. Like, that happened. So she just tripped standing, which is a very unique thing that Alia manages to do.
अरे यार
आप पूरी जो
की लिंकअप की खबरें आ रही हैं क्या?
I think कि एक ही बात बाकी है. I think you all should link up Ananya and me because that's all that's left now.
So you swing both those.
Yes.
I think दोनों हमारे लिंकअप रूमर्स हमारे दूसरे हीरोज के साथ है, तो काम की बात ही है. I don't think इतनी बड़ी बात है.
चलता रहता है. बट सही कितना है, गलत कितना है?
लास्ट वीक वरुण से इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया कि आप स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 का हिस्सा नहीं बने, कोई नाराजगी है? तो उन्होंने बताया कि यार मैं खुश हूँ. नाराजगी किस बात की? कि लोग मुझे अब स्टूडेंट नहीं समझते हैं, अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. इस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
बिल्कुल, I think since Student of the Year, Varun has only grown, and I think he's definitely a student of cinema, but in that sense he's definitely evolved and grown a lot.
Thank you.
When he was a student, okay, and today after 50 years, the song is come again. What are your sentiments on that?
That's a fantastic feeling. I didn't know that actually, but I guess once Dad sees the song, he'll be very happy.
His favorite composer was
R&D Varman. That's what he told me. Definitely my favorite composer. By large, I think he was the biggest musical force Indian cinema has ever had, and it's an honor to have recreated it. And do you know that what Tiger is lip-syncing is in the late Kishore Kumar's voice? We haven't changed that. We've kept it and retained it, and I will Tiger, that would be a huge honor, because just to be lip-syncing Kishore Kumar. And talking about song, we're going to end this wonderful afternoon with Tara signing off to all of us in her beautiful voice. Tara, the stage is yours. Say something that you want to send out as a feeling. Just sing something that you want to send out as a feeling to everyone who's giving us love as we speak.
Okay, guys, this is one of my favorite songs. One of Karan's favorite songs, actually. It's a feeling I share for you guys. It's called Lag Ja Gale. I'm going to sing 3 lines, okay? हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के दे लीजिए हमको करीब से. फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you, Puneet, Tara, Tiger, Ananya. We transfer, ladies and gentlemen, we transfer all our energies and love now onto you, the audience space, and members of the media. Thank you for being here today. The film releases on the 10th of May at a theatre very near to you. So don't miss it. Thank you.
लेफ्ट में